Gizmo.
Watch him fighting him a bit, fine.
Please don't go under. Gizmo, no.
Put him on your belly.
Gizmo on Karen's belly.
No, I've put the bloody table behind there now,
Oh,
haven't
Gizmo.
Giz. Keep them from.
I did.
I? Just tap on the floor like I heard. See, come on.
Come on, Giz. Come on, Gizmo.
Oh, he's crying.
Come on, Giz. Yeah, he is. I wonder for Gizmo.
Move your hands back, right? That's it.
Come on.
Put them by the side.
That's what I was going to do.
Oh, you scared him, Mum? Oh, Dad, what have you scared him? He's going to go by there. He needs a toilet, I think. He was just going to go over there.
If he starts sniffing around, he said he wants...
Yeah, he just was.
But then he's going to sniff around because he's not used to... What are you doing?
Hello, Gizmo.
They told you said only the open. I thought some people with the dog.
Oh, did you? I thought like when she said off and come back.
Hello. You like my feet?
Oh, it's FaceTime working. Who are you FaceTiming?
Yeah.
Get excited and all, chicken. Like you know what half page you now at the moment.
Oh, FaceTime failed. Oh my god, Gizmo just clicked cancel on my iPod. Didn't you?
That's my dog, Gizmo.
Come on, Giz.
He wants to go in his
Do you want
bed.
to go in your bed? Mum, Dad, I was just on FaceTime, yeah, with Anya. He clicked on cancel.